Today, we will create a simple invoice template and then generate a PDF report from it. So let's get started. First, we will log in to our Oracle Apex Workspace. Now, go to the page in your application where you want to use MaxPrint plugin. First, create a button and name it to MaxPrint V2. Now, add a dynamic action and name it as you like. We are choosing Invoice in this demo. Now, in true condition of dynamic action, select your installed MaxPrint_V2 plugin. Now you see the plugin settings. For action, we will use Create option, which is used for creating a template. For data source type, we will use SQL query. For SQL type, we will use JSON Object SQL. MaxPrint V2 also supports simple SQL and cursor SQL. Now we write our query in Query section. For convenience, we are just pasting it. Now we save and run. On the page where we created the button, click our MaxPrint V2 plugin button. We are now redirected to our MaxPrint Designer page.
Here we can see multiple built-in templates which matches the provided data structure. We can use the invoice template to this also, but here we will select blank template and press continue.
For heading, use text element and drag it onto the canvas and set its properties. Now we drag and drop text elements for labels and data onto the canvas and bind them accordingly. Now search the table element and drag it onto the canvas. Bind the whole table with data, then set table properties and bind rows accordingly. Now designing the rest of the template. Now press the Preview button to preview your report. Copy the template ID from Copy button, which is right beside the template name, and save the template. Now go back into Oracle Apex where you were using MaxPrint V2 plugin. Now for Action option, we will select Edit option. Now in Template Source, we will select Template ID as source, and in Template ID section, paste my copied template ID. Now save the changes and press the Plugin button again. We will be redirected to MaxPrint Designer and our template will be opened. We will edit our template and add some line elements. After making changes to the template, save the template and copy the template ID. Now go back to your application page in Oracle Apex. Select Run option from Actions in Settings. This is used for generating reports. Now we use the copied template ID and select Output type as PDF. Set output file name to generate PDF report. For output method, we select Download to download the PDF report file. Now save and go to our Apex application and press the MaxPrint V2 plugin button to download the PDF report file. Open the PDF report. Wow, you have just created a simple invoice report. Thank you for watching. Happy reporting!